Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumita. So December month is here and it's Christmas time. So I have decided this whole month till 25th I will create different types of Christmas special makeup look. And this is the first look. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep watching. So it's winter season and super dry. So I am applying a heavy coat of moisturizer and massaging it onto my skin. Now for primer, I am using Maybelline 24K Gold Gel Base Primer and applying all over my face. Now for foundation, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless Liquid Foundation in shade Natural Buff and applying all over my face and neck. Then using a damp beauty blender, I am blending this. Now for concealer, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer Medium and applying under my eyes, bridge of my nose, on forehead, around lips, on chin and around nose. Then again blending this all. Now I am setting this all using Maybelline New York Fit Me Powder Porcelain. Now I will quickly do my eyebrow. First I am brushing my brow hair properly. Then I am taking Music Flower Gel Liner Brown using an angle brush and drawing single strokes to create individual hairs. Now using concealer, I am cleaning my brow edges. Now for eyeshadow, first I am taking this color from iMagic eyeshadow palette 48 colors and applying on my crease area. And slowly going towards my brow arch. And slowly building the color. Then I am taking this color and placing just on the edges and blending it. Then I am taking this color and placing just between the two colors and blending it. Then again taking this color, I am just blending everything. Now using concealer, I am cutting my crease. And slowly cleaning my eyelid area. Then setting it using some powder. Now I will do candy cane eyeliner. So first I am taking NYX Professional Eyeshadow Base White and creating winged eyeliner. Then setting it using this white eyeshadow. Now for this red stripe, I am taking this color and drawing it one by one. Now I am tight lining my waterline using a blue eye pencil. Then taking this color, I am smudging my lower lash line. Then applying this color on its edges. then blending its edges using this color. Then I am applying the same color on my inner corner. Now I am taking the shimmer color and applying just on it. Now using white fabric I am making small dots. Then red dots. And then golden dots. Then I am applying mascara from Maybelline New York Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara. Now to contour my face, I am using this color from NYX Professional Highlight and Contour Pro palette and applying on my cheekbone, on hairline, on jawline, and on nose. Now for blush, I am taking this color and applying on my cheeks, and on nose. Now to highlight my face, I am taking this color from Revolution Pro 4K Highlighter Palette Gold and applying on cheeks, on nose tip, bridge of my nose, on chin and on forehead. Now for lipstick, I am taking PAC Color Lock Long Lasting Lip Liner Upper Class. Then applying a lip gloss. So here is the final look. Let me know how you love this look by commenting down. And make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified. Thanks for watching this video. See you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.